Hi, everyone. So glad to be speaking to you today. It is March 23rd, Monday, 2020. Um, I wanted to just give you a quick message because we're going to have a very active week. It's going to be an active week in the markets, and we're going to have an active week informing you of what's going on in the markets. Tuesday, tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time, we are going to be hosting an economic update. That is going to be private. So if you wish to participate, you must email info@nataliepace.com and join our list. It's free, so there's no cost to you, but you have to join the list in order to participate because I'm not going to make it public. On Thursday, so that's going to be Tuesday at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 1:30 p.m. Pacific Time. I am also going to be interviewing Rob McEwen. He is the chief owner of McEwen Mining. He is a 30-year veteran in the gold mining industry. He took Gold Corp from 500 million to 8 billion. So he knows a thing or two about building companies and surviving rough times. Also, as you know, gold is actually up on the year, so that might bode well for gold mining. Oil prices are way down, and that helps their operations and their expenses side. So they do have supply chain disruption, however, which is a negative. So we're going to hear from Rob about all of that, and how they are reacting to the loss of their president. Also, all of the gold miners have now just canceled their earnings guidance, so that doesn't look good. Let's hear what he has to say. Again, that will be public, so you don't need to pre-register for that one, and it's free. And then Thursday through Monday, we're going to host a special online investor educational retreat. So if you've always wanted to attend and now you're in quarantine, why not attend online? You're going to save the costs of lodging, of travel, and you don't really have much else to do. And you probably have a very high interest in protecting your wealth. So let's protect it. Let's get you the information you need to make the smart choices. That will cost you. It's not free. And you will have to register. But it's a lot more affordable than our normal retreats. The registration price is lower. If you want to bring someone with you, it's really low. So if you want to attend with your husband or even with a teen or a tween, the teen or tween will probably like the stock section when we look at hot stocks and stuff. They may not want to attend all of it, but they could really benefit from at least 2 out of the 3 days. And the cost for them is so affordable that you may as well invite them in too, and let them come and go as they please. You don't have to, make this school, but it could be very educational. All right, that's all I wanted to say is that join us for the free teleconference Tuesday at 4:30 Eastern. You do have to register. It will be private, but it's free. Join us noon Eastern on Thursday for that special interview with gold mining veteran Rob McEwen. That's free. You don't have to register. It will be available to the public. You just have to link on it. And then if you would like to attend our investor educational retreat online, it's going to be 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We will break for lunch. We will have regular bathroom breaks, and it will be intense, but it will also be fun, enlightening, and very life transformational. Because imagine if instead of confusion, doubt, fear, worry, and maybe even paralysis by all the noise. It's not even over analysis. There's just a lot of noise, and a lot of the noise is misinformation and very, very, very toxic, bad information. So what happens if you get wisdom and time-proven systems? How fast can your life transform with that? Join us. You'll be glad you did. And we're happy to send you testimonials, and you can see what you'll learn, and you can actually view some testimonials online. Just click on the online retreat banner ad, and then you'll have a lot of information, including pricing. All right, so you know how to reach us. The best way right now, because honestly, we are swamped, info@nataliepace.com. If you need to call 310-430-2397, but you're going to get a much faster response by email, info@nataliepace.com. One last thing. I do have the 3rd edition of the ABCs of Money up on Amazon right now. I did not do the print, do it as an Amazon exclusive, because if there are any other bookstores, whether they're mom and pop bookstore or a big chain, I wanted to make it available to them too. So if you are a bookstore owner, reach out. We're happy to support you. And thank you for supporting us. So the ABCs of Money 3rd edition does address the coronavirus. I just pinned it a week ago. Yes, things move fast, but a lot of the things that are causing this capital crunch, this crisis in the economic markets, that was something that was happening before this crisis. It was something we could see coming. There were many, many very, very successful and candid VIPs warning of this. Warren Buffett, Alan Greenspan, Jerome Powell. And as you know, I was ringing the alarms as well. In fact, people were making fun of me. Oh, she's been ringing the alarms for a couple of years now. Well, when the data is saying that, I'm sorry, I have to ring the alarms, because that's why things have moved so fastly. That's why we have a capital crunch. That's why the repo markets weren't working. That's why the credit markets were frozen. So, and they're still not healthy. So again, you don't need to get a degree in economics. I'm making the time-proven solutions, as I always have, simple. And that's why we call it the ABCs of Money that we all should have received in high school. The Kindle version is $3.50. I strongly recommend you do that for many reasons: planet-friendly, cost, everything. But you might have trouble getting your print edition delivered. I've been waiting for deliveries on stuff for weeks now. I'm just not getting it. So you can get your Kindle like that. Again, info@nataliepace.com, so you can join us for tomorrow's economic update. It's got very important information that it's unlikely you're getting. So you really need to get it. Thursday's exclusive interview is going to be powerful. He is candid. I'm going to ask him hard questions. And I look forward to seeing you over the weekend at our Investor Educational Retreat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Replace fear, worry, doubt, and noise with wisdom. And let's protect your assets. And let's beautify your bottom line. And let's position you best for the 21st century. Too many of us have been hanging on to the 20th century ideas. They don't work. So let's get with the program of this century. And the sooner you do it, the better off you're going to be. Talk to you soon. See you tomorrow.